Oh, hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And I am here. It is so gorgeous here. See that it says there the emergency. Of course, many of you know my husband is in the hospital, but I love to come through the emergency entrance. All right, so there it is. I'm here, and I'm here in the parking lot, as a matter of fact. So I just want to say that it is awesome that my husband finally, after 8 days, will be going home tomorrow. Okay, so folks, here's the deal. Here, I mean, it's a little bit windy here. Oh, you can see that my hair is going all over. Um, Folks, what I want to say is that I want to tell you about the home-based business that I am doing, and that gives me the privilege, that gives me the opportunity, to be here with my loved one, right? To be here with my husband, and still at the same token, I am making, the business is making money. Money is coming in. Okay, folks. Now, that's the beauty of having a home-based business. Okay, that is the beauty of having a home-based business. So, what I would like to say to you is that if you would like to know exactly what I do, from the comfort of my home and from the comfort of, being at the hospital, you need to reach